Hi. Welcome to Homeopathy Medicines. Today in this classic Homeopathic Materia Medica lecture discuss about homeopathic medicine Cina. By Dr. Farrington, MD. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful and more informative. Now going to discuss about Cina, its uses and symptoms. The medicinal virtues of Cina are largely, although not entirely, due to a poisonous active principle which it contains. That active principle is santonine, the central point of action of which is on the abdominal ganglia, whence are reflected nervous impressions to all other parts of the body, but principally to the brain and spine. As a result of this primary action on the abdominal ganglia, we have as reflex symptoms convulsive twitchings and jerkings of the limbs and even violent spasms, these latter usually being of a tonic character. Strabismus also is present. Under the influence of Cina, the face is pallid, and by the way, it continues so, even if there be fever. Ipecacuanha and Bryonia also have this symptom partially. With the pale face of Cina, there are usually associated dark rings about the eyes. The pupils are dilated. The child grinds its teeth during sleep. It also picks or bores at the nose with the finger. The sleep is restless and attended by crying out. This is the general action of Cina. You now know what you may expect of the drug. Taking these symptoms into account, we are led to the use of Cina for the presence of worms in the alimentary tract. The most careful analysis of clinical experience has demonstrated that Cina is most powerful for the elimination of threadworms. This sickly appearance of the face, the blue rings about the eyes, and the grinding of the teeth associated with canine hunger, give a perfect picture for the drug. Cina so far corrects the abdominal organs and so far tones up the abdominal ganglia, that the mucous membrane of the alimentary tract pours forth a normal secretion, so that the worms, no longer having a proper pabulum on which to subsist, die and are expelled. This, then, is the use of Cina. In the oxyrus, those little worms which appear about the anus and get into the rectum, Cina is of no avail, because the symptoms caused by them are not the symptoms of Cina. For these, we have another group of remedies. Aconite when the child is feverish and cannot sleep. When the child is simply much excited, you may give ignatia. Indigo is the best remedy when convulsions result from the worms. If all these fail, think of quassia. Caladium saginum is the best remedy when the worms, in little girls, travel over the perineum and get into the vagina. The irritation they produce may thus excite masturbation. We may also make use of Cina in affections of the eyes, especially in asthenopia from defective accommodation. When the patient attempts to read, his eyes begin to ache, the letters become blurred and a cloud comes over the eyesight. Relief is obtained by rubbing the eyes. The same condition, I have already told you, is found under Artemisia vulgaris. A very peculiar effect on the eye produced by santonine is, that objects look yellow. Cina being a spasmodic remedy, we expect it to be useful in whooping cough, in which disease, it is indicated when the paroxysms come regularly through night or day and are accompanied by tonic convulsions. Just after a paroxysm, a gurgling sound is heard. Cina may also be used in cough reflex from the irritation of worms. As a concomitant of all these conditions, we find the temperament of Cina. It is indicated in children who are irritable, nervous and peevish. They are obstinate and permit no one to approach them. Cina seems to have some effect on the bladder, producing wetting of the bed at night. The urine is white and turbid and sometimes has a very strong odor. Cina is not often used in intermittent fever, but it is sometimes indicated by thirst during the chill and occasionally during the fever also. Pale face is present even during the hot stage. There are also vomiting, canine hunger, and clean tongue. Like many of the other members of the order Compositae, the Cina patient finds relief from moving about. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Comment us your feedback. Like and share this video with your friends and family. For paid and free consultancy online, visit homeopathymedicines.com and mashclinic.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay happy.